Want to try Google Gemini on your Android phone but not sure how to install it? In today's video, I'll guide you through step by step so you can download and start using it right away. Let's get started. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. Go to your Play Store. Tap on the search button and look for Google Gemini. If it says open here, that means you have already installed it. If you do not have it on your phone, tap on install and download and install it on your phone. Once you have successfully downloaded and installed Gemini on your phone, tap on it to open it. Make sure you are signing to your correct Google account by tapping on the profile icon on the top right and signing in. This will ensure that Google Gemini remembers all your search or enquiries from the past and gives you a more personalized and customized option. There you go. If you found today's video useful, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to help this channel grow. Thank you so much. Until the next video, I'm Steph. Take care and bye-bye.